speaking of those stories, all this week on HISD Now, I'm bringing you stories from Forest Brook Middle School. It's part of our campus Closeup series where we highlight a select school each week. So I spent the day at the school on Monday talking to teachers, parents and volunteers, students, and the school's principal, Miss Alicia Lewis. Now she tells me that while high quality instruction is a top priority, the school also has a variety of electives and dyad programs. Now these specialty classes are offered to ensure that students are introduced to as many real-world experiences as possible. Part of the program is an end-of-year trip for select scholars. Now Samuel Thompson is a teacher at Forest Brook, and he helps to organize and facilitate these trips. He says one of the main purposes of these trips is to allow students to see and experience different cultures from around the country and world. Last year, they went to Japan. This year, they're heading to Boston and Costa Rica.
So we get to see how different, so we have our community. So like last year we went to Japan. So we got to see some of the things that people in that community get to do. Like one of the things that our kids took away is how quiet and respectful Japanese people are to other people. So as far as using technology, we big on technology over here. So our kids got to see, okay, they're walking around and they're not on the technology at all. So they just got to see the entire things are done in other places of the world. HISD is doing a great job of giving them travel experiences. So we have 30 8th graders and 30 plus 7th graders going to Boston and Costa Rica this at the end of the school year.